Happy National Park Week. Today is day one. It's going to be a beautiful day heading into John Muir Woods in Marin County. Coast live redwoods. It's going to be amazing, beautiful. Let's celebrate. Let's do it, everybody. Have a great day. So right behind me, you see the Golden Gate Bridge. That is our way over the bridge to get to Marin Headlands, get closer to John Muir Woods. It's going to be a beautiful day. Take the 120 across the bridge, probably Sausalito, to get you closer. All right, arrived in Sausalito. Got one more bus to take. Looks like I take the 61 to Mill Valley, which will take me into John Muir Woods. Beautiful day. You see behind me, beautiful town of Sausalito. As you're making your way to the park, you definitely got to check out Driver's Market. They have everything from chocolate, fruit, sandwiches, paninis, drinks. It's amazing. My buddy Paul, he owns this place. I'm gonna go see if I can find him right now. Beautiful California landscape. Here we are, Marin Headlands. Gonna make our way down into this beautiful redwood forest of old growth coastal redwoods. That's the Great Pacific Ocean out there. Let's get into it. So that is Cicericium bellum. It is a blue-eyed grass. It's not really a grass, but it's a beautiful purple flower. This means spring is here. And here we are, this beautiful forest, heading into Muir Woods. Yeah, good morning. National Park Service. I love it. Happy National Park Week to you all.
Thank you.
So here I am. I just received my Muir Woods National Monument Junior Ranger activity book. Looks pretty tricky, but I'm going to try to do this as I enjoy the beautiful redwood forest today. Any tips?
Go on the boardwalk and have fun looking at all the fun stuff around. You'll find some banana slugs if you're lucky.
I love it. Thank you so much.
Absolutely, have fun.
All right, so according to National Park Service, today is Junior Ranger Day here. And so today is free entry.
It's been in the last 5 years that we've been talking about names of we have a bunch of pelts here from
Spanish speakers.
We also have everybody. But yeah, we don't get requested these. We haven't. I can get some out of the office too.
That's fine. I'll bring over the leftovers so you have them here.
Yeah.
I'll give them out and I'll bring them back.
Perfect. Yeah.
All right, so right behind me is the starting point, Muir Woods National Park. Beautiful, majestic John Muir Woods National Monument, deep in a redwood forest. And I have a few things I want to share with you. As the sun is kind of starting to set, it's coming through again. And these forests are filled with a thick moisture, fog, but we don't really experience it today. It's actually quite warm and cool without any fog. But it usually is damp and moist and wet. And it is a coastal marine fog layer that comes in. It makes the environment very wet. So again, the history of this park, back in 1900s, it was a park for cattle, hunting, logging, and then one day the Kent family was interested in it, and they bought it for like $45,000. The next thing you know, they realized that the streams below had amazing running water, but the town of Mill Valley was like, we want the water, we want the rights. So they had to give up the rights. But then again, they tried to take back the land and dam this place and control water. And basically, in 1908, they had to give it to the federal government. And Theodore Roosevelt at the time was the president, and he realized that, hey, this is something that needs to be protected. William Kent, who was interested in the land, realized that, hey, this is a mountain to the sea property. And when he wrote a letter to Theodore Roosevelt at the time, Theodore Roosevelt was like, no, let's donate this land to the nation. And it was accepted, which is amazing. And they named it after John Muir, not after the Kent family, because John Muir's a famous naturalist, and this is everything he wanted to protect and conserve. And so there was awareness of these trees. The National Park Service represented the beauty throughout time. And it's amazing to know that nothing is ever going to happen to the beauty of these trees. Love this place. Come on out. Be sure to subscribe, comment, share with a friend. Thanks so much for watching. Massive tree. Goes back millions of years ago. Beautiful bridges carry you over to the park. Powerful. Wow. Cathedral Grove is fascinating. Shh. The hillside trails above Cathedral Grove, the park's quiet refuge. Shh. The forest has ears. All right, Cathedral Grove. Climb into the mountains and get their good things. Nature's peace will flow into you as sunshine flows into trees. The winds will blow their own freshness into you and storms energy, while cares will drop off like autumn leaves. Wow, there we are. Thank you, John Muir. As you can hear this beautiful stream coming through this redwood forest, you might wonder what type of life is really out there. So as we make our way up into the canopy, you can see we're still not even halfway at the height of these redwood trees. Something very amazing about how tall and strong these trees can grow here in John Muir Woods National Monument, protected. So in addition to the beautiful majestic redwood trees, you can find California bay laurel out here, big leaf maples, tan oaks. It's really a unique place forever. I don't know if I'm gonna fit. Maybe if I go sideways, I'll have a better chance. Let's see. Ugh. Man stuck in redwood forest. Call emergency. Just kidding. Some of the mammals you might actually find here could be like an American shrew, black-tailed mule deers, Sonoma chipmunks, bats. Beautiful bird sounds. How old is this tree? Well, we could count all these rings to find out.